Hi guys, a quick video to show you the exciting parcel I got today. Airliner passenger entertainment parts, and these are actually my most modern aircraft parts. Previously my most modern was this one from 2012, and these parts are 2013-2014. So it is really my most modern parts, and it was a bargain. It was a very good price on eBay UK. So you can expect in a few days probably a teardown of them. But in the meantime, little quiz, try to find which airliner it is from. Actually, I know for this and this which go together, but I do not know for this little one which was also in the same eBay parcel. So you can help with this one. These ones you can actually find a photo of them on the web if you can figure out the aircraft. I am just saying it is big and they came from Great Britain. And it is quite modern. Really exciting stuff, guys. In particular for this display, which actually may be a little bit more than just a display. Make your guess. So stay tuned for more about them. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.